Welcome everybody to Carol's Art Room. So as you can see, I just scraped one that I didn't like. I just pushed all the paint to the middle. Added a little more to the middle. I'm going to do a bloom technique with Van Dyke Brown in my brown series and blues today. The one I just finished scraping, I didn't really like it. So let's do another one. This all gets covered up anyway, so you can just save the paint. Okay. Oh, and I also forgot to put my gold in the last one, so I'm going to redo it. All right, so let's see which color. This is Meaden Sky Blue on the bottom. I put some ultramarine blue. It's Amsterdam. Van Dyke Brown. Cerulean blue. Oh, I know, my gold. I need to put my gold. I'll put the gold second from the top. A little bit of Sky Blue by DecoArt. Oh, I forgot the gold. Okay, gold's going on top this time. Oh, not as many cells. I'm gonna try and blow this. A lot of blues are opaque, so it's a little tricky to do blues. Well, there's not a lot of cells, but there's some pretty ones. give her a spin. I don't really like putting the gold on the top because it goes to the outside and then it gets spun off. So I'll do the next one. I won't do that. Let's put this way. You don't notice the brown that much either. So we'll do another one. Let's do another one. Another towel ready. All right, let's do this again. Let's put this one down first. Ultramarine blue. Brown. Cerulean blue. I'll put the Van Dyke brown next. Some gold. And then the sky blue. I'm gonna blow this one with my breath. Excuse my head. Dizzy. Sometimes it works out better when I use my breath. I don't know. Look at that. That's pretty. And I layered the paints a little different too. Wow. Let the middle relax, come into the middle. All the recipes for my bloom technique are in the description under the video. Hit the title of the video and you'll get a drop down. I like how the gold's showing through. Now, the brown might come up when I spin it, but not a lot. There's some brown here, right there. So I've done a pink series with the brown. This is blue. And I'll do a turquoise. I'll do green. Let's see what we get. So stay tuned. I'll put the dried result of this at the end of the video. So you'll see how they dried. And don't forget to subscribe if you haven't yet. Spin it again. can see lots of brown now. It might show up more when it's dry. There. I love the gold and the brown and the blues are pretty. Okay, I'll see if I can put them side by side. Okay, I'll lift this one up. There you go. There they are. Same colors, different layers, different results. One with a mini blower, one with my breath. They're both pretty. And I'll show you the dried results at the end of the video. Thanks for watching. These are my dried tiles. They dried really good. There's hints of brown and gold through there. This is the other one. This one has more gold showing through. This one I blew with my breath. I think it came out better. Very cool. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.